Hi guys, I hope you're all well and keeping safe. So today I'm going to show you how to take a brick out of a wall. I've seen a few videos online that seem quite hard, make it quite hard to do, you know, with hammer and chisels and grinders and then breaking the brick up and stuff, but hopefully you'll find my way useful. What you'll need is a masonry drill bit, 10mm by 210 in length. That will get you right through to the inside of the brick. Make sure it's a masonry bit, and then a hammer drill, a good hammer drill. A cordless isn't going to do the job. You'll be there for ages. So this is the brick we're going to replace here. It's all spalled and frost damage there. So before you take the brick out, obviously make sure that you've got a good replacement. These bricks here are imperial, which means they're bigger than the ones you buy from the builders merchants. So check the size as well. If you buy a metric brick and put it on an imperial brick wall, the perp joints here are going to be a lot wider, and it just looks horrible. So always try and have a look around the gardens or something and see if you've got any old bricks laying around. It's nothing better than a good match. So we're going to replace it with this brick, same size, and a good match. So I'll explain what I'm going to do first. Obviously it's this brick that I'm replacing, but I'll show you here. On the top of the, say if I was going to remove this brick, you would start here, drill all the way through, then drill 10mm, a hole 10mm next to it, and then you need to break the mortar between the two holes, and remove that, and then work your way along, constantly breaking that mortar. So you would take all the top of the joint out, then the perps, and then you can either put it on a chisel function and just get a chisel there and there, and it will lift the brick up, and then you just pull it out. Or if it's a bit stubborn and hard mortar, you might have to drill that bottom line out as well. But you're going to get the brick out. You know, sometimes if you've got a small brick like this, the back of it might be a good match. So rather than breaking a brick and into tiny fragments and risk a lot going down into the cavity, I find this is the best method. So I'm going to do it. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. You'll probably see my arm for a bit of it, but yeah, here's how you do it. quite straightforward. Obviously if you've got thinner joints, you don't want to use a 10mm drill bit if it's going to get caught when you start drilling, so go down to an 8 or even a 6. A 6 you're going to have to be quite careful with because it's a thin drill bit. But so once you've got the brick out, put the drill on a hammer function and clean the joint ready for a new brick to go in. Right, so now we've brushed out the hole and we're going to make good. So what you want to do, get the trowel. I use a gauging trowel rather than a bricklaying trowel because you can actually get it in the hole. Unless you're a bricklayer and you can use your skills. So I don't want to put too much in, but enough to for it to get you to the height that you need. So get it on there, on the attachment. Right, so put some mortar on the top as well, and we're going to carefully put it in, trying not to push the mortar back, give it a bit of a lift. You might need to adjust the level slightly, so I've got a finger trowel here that so I can just lift up the bricks, push that mortar back, get the right height, and then I can use it just to get the level right. Push that mortar in, not too hard because you don't want to push it right through. probably wondering why I'm recessing it, but as you can see, I've found it all out, so I'm repointing it. So I'll leave it recessed to go back over with the overall finish when I'm pointing. Thanks for watching.